You may need to schedule something that is shown at certain times of the day for certain days of the week. Let's say that the layout I have just scheduled needs to be shown at the same time for the next 7 days. I could use the duplicate button at the bottom of the form here and create 6 more schedules, amending the start and end times for each, but it's far quicker to use repeats. Click on the Repeats tab and use the drop down to select from the types of repeat. As I want my schedule to repeat on a daily basis, I'll select Daily. Next, we need to enter a number to determine the frequency of the repeat. As I want this event to repeat every day, I need to put a 1. If I put 2 here, it would repeat every 2 days, 3 for every 3 days, and so on. Until controls when the repeat should finish. I want this to repeat daily for 7 days. Ensure the time selected here is not before the end time originally defined for this event, so it does not cut it short. So I shall select 11. You could leave both these fields blank for it to run indefinitely. I want it to run till this time, so I will click Save. You can now see that the original event has been repeated for 7 days. Let's say, however, you want to repeat an event that a layout shows at a particular time, but only on weekdays. Click on the event so we can edit, and click on the Repeats tab. Let's change the daily to a weekly. We now have the option to select the days of the week to repeat. I'm going to select all the weekdays. Again, Repeat Every allows you to specify the frequency. So if I was to put a 2 here, it would repeat alternating weeks, but I shall keep it as every week, so we'll leave the 1. Until I'm going to set this for 1 month from now. The time's okay, so I can click Save. You can see that the event has now updated. It's only showing weekdays and will be repeated for the remainder of the month. And if we go to next, we can see it goes right up until the date I've specified. Xibo can also be configured to send reminders about your events. Do this by clicking on the event to edit and then going to the Reminder tab. You can use the fields here to create a set of reminders for this event. So I'm going to create a reminder to notify me 1 hour before the schedule starts. If you click the plus button, you get more fields to create more of a notification. So I'm also going to have one that sets 1 day before the schedule ends. I can tick the notified by email box to receive an email notification, which will send to the email I have saved in my user profile. Or if it's left unticked, a reminder will appear in the notification centre. Click Save and your reminders will be set.